Hello viewers, thanks for watching our video today. We shall be showing you how to make mixed curry powder, perfect to use when making meat curries. We will be blending 6 spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and lastly paprika. First add 1 cup of red chili powder. Then add 3/4 cup of turmeric powder. Then add 3/4 cups of cumin powder. Then add 1/2 cup of coriander powder. Add 1/4 cup of garam masala. And 1/4 cup of paprika. Then mix it up well and store it all in a jar for future use. This is perfect for all meat curries. Keep mixing all the spices. Blend it really well using a whisk. Make sure all lumps have broken up. It's given off a lovely fragrance and aroma. Chicken curries, lamb curries, beef curries. Finally, we shall be storing it into a container. Make sure it's a nice airtight container. It will stay fresh and keep very well for a long time.